Hello everyone, Big Game Airway back with another Cex and Charity shot hunt, and again we're joined by...
How's Crazy Life here?
Where are we today?
Sorry. Today we're in Barry.
Barry
Island.
Barry Island, eh?
Well,
sure it's Barry Island, I thought it's Barry. Yeah, we're here, it's a lovely, miserable winter's day in Wales. Winter day.
Yeah, it's still autumn.
It looks winter to me.
Well, it's still autumn, Alan.
Right, we're going to go find some Cex and some charity shops. And yeah, we'll let you know what we find when we find them. And here we are walking down to the town centre. It's just started raining. Good job, Kaz has got an umbrella now. Looks alright so far. Not there's nothing really open at the moment. Alright, first up we've got St Vincent's, helping locally. Lovely little town centre. Here we are, let's go check them out. Nothing worth getting. Alright, next up we've got the cerebral palsy in Barry. Let's check this one out. Nothing. Next up, Murray Curry. Let's go and check this one out. Well, Kaz gets in there first. VHS, but no games. Right, next up we've got British Heart Foundation. They've got Christmas cards in store now. Let's go check them out. Kaz is looking for sausage dog ones. She's found Welsh ones instead. Yeah, quite nice card designs in there. Nothing. Not a big one. Nice board games and puzzles though. Here we are in the middle of the town centre. We've got this little area here. Don't know if they do any like shows or anything in it, but yeah. We go down here now. Looks quite a long road to go down. Maybe get some food, who knows. Right, and next up we've got Bernardo's. Quite a big one this by the looks of it. Got all their Halloween stuff out, trick or treat and all that. Let's go and have a look. Videogames in at the back here. Quite as uncase, I don't see that in a charity shop very often. North Central. Yeah, nothing worth getting there. Alright, next up we've got an Age UK, obviously still in Wales, so it's an Age Cyru. I don't know, let's go. Again, had a good look, nothing. Always check the DVD section. Would you rather me film something different, like toys or something? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Alright, and next up we've got the Vet Charity for Pets in Need, the PDSA. Let's go and check them out. Hello, Barry. Good old Barry comes in. Alright, no one quite say PC games. Empire sounds interesting. I wonder how much that is. Yeah, nothing else. Alright, Kaz is just dying behind us, but we've got Sense next. Charity shop. Let's go check this big place out. A few more PC games, FIFA and Skyrim Special Edition. PS4. Not worth getting there. Next we've got the Buyback Shop. I was recommended this by Craig, Goodwin's place. I've actually got a PS1 box in the window. 70 quid. It's not bad. A little mini Mega Drive. Box 1064 for 90. That ain't bad. Wow. Go check out inside. I'll have a look in a minute. A few bits in here. Oh yes, got some retro. Interesting. Next up would have been the City Hospice, caring for parents, was it patients and families? But shut down. Loaded dice. Got a game shop here for board games and stuff. It's quite nice.
Please ring doorbell.
Not open at the moment. Alright, next up we've got Regenerate. It's got some consoles in the window, nothing too major. I do like that DJ Hero set though. It's quite nice. And there's a coding box Naruto Story Trilogy. Oh. Quite a lot in here, quite a big store. All these games. I'll have a look through, check out if I need any. Let's line up this little sweetie shop over here, the sweet shop. Let's go check it out. Kaz, where are you going?
Going to the pub, the Buck.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Gonna get drunk. Right, let's go. Oh, it's just gone 10 AM in the morning. Kaz is already on the booze.
It's not 10.
And here we are at Barry CX. So a quick check in the window, see what they've got. You see a couple of 360 limited editions. Oh, look at that sun fading on there. Far Cry 3. Fable. Oh, that's a bit worn, all the leather on that. Mega Drive games. That's about it, really. Soul Silver. Right, let's go inside. Right, and that is Barry done.
Yep.
Gonna take Kaz to look at Barry Island now.
Yeah, going to Barry Island next.
We can't wait to have a look at down there at the
should
seafront.
be good.
Right, we're gonna go get in the car now.
Yep.
Picked up a couple of games here, so we'll see you back in the games room. No hotel tonight, sadly. Right, and here we are, back in the empty games room. Yes, hopefully when you're watching this, this room's done. So I apologise for any audio echo, because there's probably loads because there's nothing in here. I've tried opening the windows, we've got the door open, it's still not working. It's just a big echoey room at the moment. So yeah, right, back from Barry, not to be confused with Barry Island. We did go there and have a little look after, weren't really much there. But yeah, a few charity shops in Barry. They had one pub in the town centre that didn't even sell food. Just stopped in there for a drink, and I managed to pick up 2 games in Barry CX. So, the first one I picked up was Sea of Thieves for the Xbox Series X, Xbox One console exclusive. There you go. Again, I may already have this, I'm not too sure. Become a pirate legend. It's got the game in there. Have checked. But yeah, that was £6. I just thought, you know what, I've heard it's meant to be pretty good. I just wanted to give it a go. And the second game I picked up is a bit of retro. Yes, we've got some retro for you people out there. It's a Game Gear game. For the grand total of £5, we picked up Shinobi. So yeah, I like Shinobi. Shinobi on the Mega Drive was good. So hopefully on the Game Gear, it's even better, who knows. But for £5, can you really go wrong? £5 whole. So yeah, let me know what you think of them two. Did I do well? And apologies if this room is very echoey, but yeah, that is this one done. Off to the next town. So yeah, as I like to say, thank you all for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. He's really echoing this room, ain't it?